Hey there, it's Jessica with Pineapple Relations. Today we're going to talk about connecting your Stripe account and your Kartra account so you can get paid. We are going to need your Stripe account and your Kartra account to go ahead and do this, and I want you to start in your Kartra account, and where we're going to get started is over here in integrations. Now, if you come into your integrations account, your screen might look a little different than mine. These are going to show alphabetically the ones you have connected first, and then the ones you don't have connected second. In this demo, we're going to look for a Stripe integration. If you already have one connected, you can click on any of them, or the only one that you have, click on the three dots, and we're going to click Create Integration. It could be helpful to go ahead and open the technical documentation while we're in here, and I'm going to link that below this video for you to look at. But just a note while you're going through the technical documentation, today, January 9, 2024, when this video is being recorded, this documentation is a little bit outdated in the Stripe area, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. So if we hit Create Integration, it asks us for a secret key and a publishable key. And now to get this information, we need to go over into our Stripe account. So let's pop over into Stripe. And I've got my test mode set up so I can show you this in test mode so I don't mess with any of my settings. But where we're going to get started is we're going to start in developers and then go into API keys. And here you have a publishable key and a secret key. Copy both of these one at a time and bring them over into Kartra and paste them into their spaces. It is worth noting that even though in Stripe your publishable key presents first, in Kartra it actually displays second. So just keep that in mind. So if you switch them, it's not going to work. Once you're here, click Create, and then it's going to give you this link here, app.kartra.com/notifications/Stripe. We need this and we need to put it back into Stripe. Copy this and then let's head back into Stripe. From here, we're going to go into webhooks and we're going to add an endpoint. If you don't have an endpoint, this looks a little different for you, but you're still going to add an endpoint. What you pasted goes right here in this endpoint URL. Copy that endpoint link and paste it right into here. Your description is an optional space here, so if you want to say that this is the Kartra webhook to do this, you can add this here. Totally optional, totally up to you. We're going to leave it to listen to events on your account and leave your version as your current version. Then in select events to listen to, hit select events, choose this button to select all, and it's going to add all of these things. And we're going to hit add events. Scroll down to the bottom and hit add endpoints. From here, you're all set. So when we go back into Kartra, once you're connected, you'll have this green dot that shows that you have an active integration. This one is not an active integration. I'm going to delete it. Your Stripe integration looks something like PK, live, and a whole bunch of letters. If you have more than one Stripe account connected, it'll be important to remember what you have as each one of them so you connect the right ones to the right products. Once you have your Stripe configured, you'll be able to connect it to products within your account by going into products, going into edit, and from here you'll be able to adjust your payment gateway to include where you want your funds to go when someone purchases that product. Now you can connect test key like I have, which will test everything, but I do recommend going through and testing your transaction to follow your funds all the way from Kartra to Stripe to your bank account before you take your products live. Guys, if you have any questions about Kartra, your Stripe integrations, or learning how you can really maximize your Kartra account, shoot me a message, leave a comment below, and let's get in touch.